what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a back to school inspired look that is perfect for girls who wear glasses. So I am pretty much blind, mostly, and so I wear contacts, but a lot of days I will choose to wear my glasses because my eyes need a break sometimes, and that is when I pull out this really simple, minimalistic look. However, it looks really nice and you don't lose your eyes behind your glasses lens, so that's really important. It's also just a really great, easy back to school makeup look for anybody. If you're running out the door, it doesn't take very long, only has a few products, and everything is drugstore. So basically I partnered up with Neutrogena to bring you this back to school makeup tutorial. We're going to be showcasing their skin clearing makeup line, and it's one of the only makeup lines on the market that actually treats breakouts as you're wearing makeup, which is awesome because if you guys have followed my Instagram, you'll know that I have acne, which is super exciting as an adult, so love that. But I've been really testing this product out to see if it really does help with your acne, so definitely stay tuned because I'll have more updates about that. But anyways guys, let's jump into this video. I want to show you how to get this really easy back to school look, and if you wear glasses, this one is for you. So if you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. Alright, so first step is just throwing on this Neutrogena Skin Clearing Complexion Perfector in Fair 10. And this is just going to kind of even our base out before we go in with full coverage foundation. I'm just going to put a tiny bit on. Okay, so now we are going to go in with our Skin Clearing Micro Clear Blemish Treatment Foundation, and I am in the shade Nude 40, I think. Yeah, that looks good. That's a really beautiful, like, natural finish. The color was perfect. Okay. So that's a really nice coverage. It's not too full coverage to where it looks unnatural, so it's really perfect for this back to school kind of look. Alright, so next we have our concealer. And these pens can sometimes be tricky, but and I am in the shade, whatever light is, Buff. Who got it? Okay, now we got something happening. Okay. And buff that out. And I'm going to go over that with this Neutrogena Skin Clearing Mineral Powder in the shade Classic Ivory. Looks so nice. Next, we're just gonna hop on some bronzer and blush. You don't want to do too much because this is a back to school kind of look, so you want to be as natural and radiant as possible. And I would add a little extra blush to your cheeks just for like a little youthful glow. Top your cheeks with just a little bit of highlighter. Next, just take a little bit of the bronzer that you used on your face and put it in the crease of your eye. This will just kind of tie your whole face in together. And it's not very much, so it's really understated and easy to just pop on in the morning. Next, just take a little bit of the highlight you used on the tops of your cheeks and pat that on right in your inner corner. And right under your brow bone. Okay, so the next part is we are going to do some pretty dramatic winged liner. So grab your favorite liner and I'm definitely not going for subtle. And now we're going to throw on just some mascara, no lashes. So grab an eyelash curler and really curl your lashes up. Now we're going to take our mascara and we are using the Neutrogena Healthy Volume Mascara in Carbon Black. I love the brush. so nice. And last but not least, we are going to throw on our lips, and today we are using the Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick, and this is in the shade Pink Grapefruit. Love that these color sticks are not super sheer, like they actually have color to them, which is really nice when you actually want to put color on your face instead of just like a lip balm. So I feel like they really are like a lipstick. So pretty. So this is the final look, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate everybody who comes back every week to watch them. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Today is day, oh geez, what day is it? I don't know what day this is supposed to be. It's day 25. This is day 25 of my 100 days of makeup look, so it's super easy and simple to do. I hope you guys learned something new and cool watching this video today. And if you want to follow along with the 100 days of makeup challenge, you can find it on my Facebook and Instagram. Both are at Blonde and Ambitious blog. So I hope to see you join the fam there too. So let me know what you guys think of this in the comments below, and I will definitely get back to you guys. Have an awesome, awesome rest of your weekend, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!